friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about JONSBO Aluminium Full Tower PC Case D500 series. So friend, the D500 series of a full tower PC box is made of 2mm aluminum, black and silver are the colors, and friend, the motherboard supports up to E-ATX and the radiator support up to 420mm front and top and taking use of huge internal space. And furthermore, by using mesh panel on the front, top and bottom, optimum ventilation is achieved, and the drive bay also includes a 5.25-inch open bay into 1, 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch dual-use shadow bay into 8, 3.5-inch shadow bay into 2 or a 2.5-inch shadow bay by 3 and up to 10, 3.5-inch drives and up to 2.5-inch drives, and friend, a total of 11 units can be fit, and it also contains gimmicks like vertical expansion slots, RGB LED controller and hub function, and a function to adjust the mounting location of the power supply unit on the top or bottom, and the power supply unit can be adjusted between bottom and top positioning. And friend, when put on the top, the bottom can be outfitted with a 120 or 140mm into 3 fan or a radiator up to 420mm in a diameter. And friend, the front cooling fan is 120mm or 140mm into 3. The top cooling fan measures 120mm or 140mm into 3, and the rear cooling fan measures 120mm or 140mm into 1. And friend, the IO ports are USB 3.2 Type C into 1, USB 3.0 into 2, and audio terminal into 1. And friend, the expansion slot has 8 plus 3 stage, and effective space for graphics card is 480mm, and the CPU cooler has a 190mm of height, and the power supply unit has 220 of depth. And friend, E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX form factors are supported. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.